Are you feeling lost about your future? Confused about how to excel in your board exams or which career path to choose? Should you focus on boards, JEE, NEET, SAT, or CUET? The pressure is overwhelming, isn't it? Parents, are you worried about your child's academic performance? Unsure whether to opt for one-on-one tuition, group classes, or enroll them in a reputed institute? Should they pursue education in India or abroad? The future seems uncertain, doesn't it? At 100 Plus Academy, we've unlocked the secret to academic success while maintaining a balanced and stress-free life. Here's how we do it. We focus on strong academics, ensuring your child excels in school with a customized study plan aimed at scoring 90% and above. We evaluate each student's skills and help them find the right career path, whether it's IIT, NEET, SAT, CUET, NDA, or beyond. With our AI-enabled test and goal tracking, we monitor progress through regular mock tests, ensuring students stay on the path to success. Success in exams doesn't mean sacrificing well-being. We emphasize stress management and mental health, guiding students to a successful and balanced life. Our team of experts, including alumni from prestigious institutions, provide personalized study planning and mentorship tailored to each student's needs. 100 Plus Academy is where academic success meets personal growth. Join us today and let's unlock your child's potential together.